Welcome to the Pye Motors Transit Centre here in Morecambe. Telephone number is 01524 598 598, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Just going to give you a quick video walk around of the lovely Ford New Ranger Wildtrak, this one with the 2 litre bi-turbo 213 brake 10-speed automatic. The New Ranger has a few styling updates, including different fog light surrounds. We've got the lovely LED daytime running lights running underneath the headlight, and a new double louvre grille. The Wildtrak comes with front parking sensors, as well as these lovely 18-inch alloy wheels. Coming with side steps and the Wildtrak badging makes this vehicle stand out wherever you are. At the rear we find reverse parking sensors, a tow bar, hasn't been fitted yet but it is there, the socket and reversing camera. We also have a lovely new tailgate which is much lighter and easier than its predecessor, meaning you can lift it really easy with just a couple of fingers. In the rear of the cabin we have leather seats with the Wildtrak orange stitching, a little more understated than its predecessor, as well as a 230 volt AC adapter, 3-pin plug and a 12 volt socket. The vehicle is completely keyless, allowing you to open it by putting your hand behind the door handle and lock it by running your thumb over this key. On the driver's seat we have an electrical adjustment, and inside the cabin we have a whole host of toys on the Sync 3 system, the air conditioning controls, which is climate control, and left and right heated seats. The Sync 3 unit can be controlled from the touchscreen itself or using the buttons on the steering wheel, which also control your on-screen displays and your cruise control system. To find out more about this or any other vehicle we have available in our transit centre stock, please call us on 01524 598 598.